All right, I'm outside here doing a little tailgate review on my brand new flight bag. It's the Everything Air flight bag. Just got it the other day. Never had a flight bag before. I've been using a book bag, but I do like the size of this bag a lot more. So let me show you what I got in my own bag and I guess how I'm going to be using it. So right here in this front part, let's see, let's open this up. I got my little headset right here. Now, this compartment is big enough to fit the actual case that came with these Lightspeeds, but I thought that was just too much. I was like, why would I have two cases? I mean, it's probably more protection for my headset, but I didn't want to have to open this flight bag and then open the case for the Lightspeeds. It was a little bit too much for me. And then we have this little side pouch here where I have some GoPro accessories, some batteries in here, things like that. All right, now if we turn it around to the side here, I got my flashlight right here. We'll turn it around to this side. Right now, I'm just rocking my glasses in here. These are prescription sunglasses, but I'm gonna get me a walkie-talkie or a radio, and I'm gonna put that radio probably in one of these side pouches if it fits. Let's go ahead and close this back up here. There's currently nothing in this front pocket right now, but then there is a top pocket right here, and that's where I keep my logbook. I have my iPad. I got my calculator in there, and then in this back compartment, this has a lot of compartments in here. Well, actually, my calculator's here. This is where I keep some of my recording accessories. So I have a GoPro here. Of course, I'm recording on a GoPro now. My Insta360. This is actually for like a knee board that straps around my knee and it connects magnetically to my iPad. I got some batteries here. That's all I have right now in my flight bag. You know, I'm still not private pilot just yet. By the end of next week, I'll have, what, 7 hours? So working towards that, but I'm excited. I got some flight accessories, so I'm loving it. See you guys in the air.